I turn up
So
the speaker?
SAP's mission is to help run the world better and improve people's lives. Can you explain how you at SAP do this?
Of course, certainly. So you're right. So the purpose of our company is basically to run the world better and improve people's life, basically by certain areas. And I can give you a few examples of some companies. Basically, you know, we are also grouping this, and you may have heard our CEO this morning about ESG, you know, about social governance, about economics and so forth. But just one example, for example, what we have done when the pandemic started about 2 years ago, more or less at the same time, right, in January, February in 2020. So a lot of I'm based in Germany, and a lot of citizens from Germany have been outside in the world, and the German ministry, foreign ministry, actually were been asked to bring all these people back to Germany. So the ministry contacted us with a request to build a repatriation app. In Germany, we call this Rückholprogramm, DE. So what we have done is in very close collaboration with the German Foreign Ministry, we basically developed an application built on our business technology platform, and we did this within 24 hours. So with a very tight collaboration with the ministry, we've been working with our employees around the world, and we really built a very, very strong team, and what we call this Stronger Together. And we had data security experts, data protection experts really to build this. And within 24 hours, we launched this app, and within hours later, 100,000 of people around the world from Germany downloaded this app, registered themselves, and actually with a request, how can we get back to the country? So I call this, you know, how can we help the world run better? And this is for us, it's now, I label this under the term velocity, right? And this is something also what we need to be very fast, agile, within the Internet of Things.
So how do you envision this technology being spread outside of Germany and its citizens, and how is this something that you foresee that can be used globally, not just for German citizens? I
see, okay. So, I mean, there are a few examples. We heard this also this morning from our CEO when we look at these, right? There are other companies like, give another example, Telefonica, which is a very large telecommunication operator globally under the top 5. So they have more than 100,000 employees. And with the change of how we're going to sell products, how we're going to consume products, it's very different compared to a few years ago. So the challenge for Telefonica basically was to reskill all their employees to sell those new products and services to the field. So what we have done here, and this is a customer of ours, they are leveraging our telemanagement platform, basically, you know, to learn, to adapt, and we call this adaptive learning in that particular case. So we use the SuccessFactors learning management platform, and we also added some artificial intelligence and machine learning on top of that to really find out what kind of skills do certain individuals have and what do they need in the future to be able to sell these new products and services. So this was a project which was globally for the Telefonica operation, which we've done quite successful within days, basically, to leverage that learning capabilities in an adaptive learning way with using artificial intelligence, machine learning, and our human experience management platform.
And now, how long did this take you exactly to get it up and running once the pandemic started? How quickly was
I can hear you really bad here.
How quickly were you able to launch this once the pandemic started? This technology?
This particular?
Yes, this particular technology.
So
from ideation to launch.
Yeah, so the SuccessFactors, the application itself, actually was already launched, was already used by Telefonica to really skill their people, transform their people, build the pipeline for the future with young talents for the organization. So we basically leveraged what they already have. What we have added was just, you know, some artificial intelligence components, machine learning, to really drive that adaptive learning process for the organization.
Amazing.